What's up, my African people? Today I'm just going to show you how to mix an African lead vocal. So let's get started right now. This is how my vocal was taken.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line.
Though I added my auto-tune. Actually, auto-tune is just for you to just select the good key the person sang with and drop on your auto-tune. Boom, your auto-tune is going to be fine. So always try to bring down the intensity, not to be much in the vocal. That's all you need to do in the auto-tune and you get going.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line. Anything I wanna get away. I'm singing song with the level melody.
So the next thing I did, I just put my EQ and I cut the low end frequency, remove some of those bad frequency, and my vocal sound like this.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line.
So this is actually the before.
Father, you gave me peace of mind.
You can hear that P inside the vocal, and that was what I cut, which is called the low end. So this is how it actually sound later.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line. Anything I wanna get.
So after that, I have to bring down the vocal. I like bringing down my vocal so that I will have this soft vocal. Before starting the Maximus in my vocal, the compressor in my vocal, I love to bring down the volume of the vocal right down so that I have that smooth vocal to continue. So I dropped my Maximus on the vocal and this is how it sounds.
Father, you gave me peace of mind.
What it actually does, it tries to bring up every single thing I brought down, but still keeping that smooth and soft vocal. You understand what I'm saying? So I dropped now my deesser just to cut up those S's. You understand? And this is how it sounds.
Father, you gave me peace of mind.
So the before.
Father, you gave me peace of mind.
So you can hear that C inside the vocal, that S inside the vocal, and it's not good in the ear. So this is how I added some reverbs in the vocal to give that smoothness now.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line.
But I dialed down the volume so that the reverb would just be under the vocal. I added a delay that sounds like this.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line. Anything I wanna get away.
It was what I did on the vocal that gives that high end without no S. I took this particular section high and this is mid, this is low. So I brought the high up.
Father, you gave me peace.
So without it, this is how it sounds.
Father, you gave me peace of mind.
It was warm and actually on this vocal I wanted to get that high end. I added up to get that high end on the vocal.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line.
So this is all actually what I did on the vocal that made it to sound that professional. So I'm just going to play with the instrument so that you can understand what I'm saying.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line.
Without the effects on the vocal, this is how it sounds.
Father, you gave me peace of mind.
So this is actually how the song started from the beginning.
Father, you gave me peace of mind. I like the way you twist my line. Anything I wanna get away. I'm singing song with the level melody.
So guys, that's all about the song. That's all about the vocal. That's all about the mixing. So if you love this video, kindly subscribe to this channel to support the family. As I usually say, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel. As I said, I'll be giving you tons of tutorials on FL Studio, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Mixcraft, Cubase, After Effects, many more. So on the comment below, you just tell me what you want me to give to you as a tutorial and I'm going to give it to you right away. See you next time.